Is your child learning from you or the environment around them? Let's see the power of nature versus nurture. Because the truth is, your child is learning all the time, even when you are not teaching. Hello, everyone. Namaste. Welcome to Mindful Parenting with Dimple. As parents, we think children learn only when we sit and teach them. But in reality, children learn more by watching than by listening. A child learns most from daily life, parents, teachers, and friends. If home and school work together, the child grows better. But here's something important: friends, peer group have a big influence. Children copy their friends more than parents sometimes. So, where your child spends time really matters. Today, environment also means digital world. Kids are online all the time, comparing themselves, which can affect their confidence. Genes do matter. They give your child a basic personality like a seed. But environment is the soil. It decides how that child grows. Today's question is simple. What shapes a child more? Genes or the environment? What is more powerful? The power of nature or nurture? Their biggest teacher is not books, it's the surroundings. Have you noticed that your child copying your words, your tone, even your reactions? If you speak politely, they do the same. If there is shouting at home, they pick that too. Children are like mirrors, they reflect everything around them. A child who hears please and thank you daily will naturally use those words. The first environment a child experiences is home. How family members talk, how conflicts are handled, daily habits and routines. All of this becomes a child's learning. Children don't do what we say, they do what we do. As children grow, friends and playgroups start influencing them. Their language, habits, behaviors starts changing. Sometimes parents say that my children never used to talk like this. That is the power of surroundings. Today, one of the biggest influences screens, cartoons, YouTube, mobile games have a strong impact. Children copy dialogues, aggression, and attitude from what they watch. So, if you don't choose what your child watches, the world will choose for them. Let's see a story of two seeds. Once upon a time, there were two seeds from the same tree. They looked exactly the same and had the same potential to grow into strong and beautiful plants. One seed fell into a garden. It got plenty of sunlight, water, and care. The gardener protected it from weeds and pests. Slowly, it grew into a tall, healthy plant full of flowers. The other seed fell on a rocky path. It didn't get enough water or sunlight. No one took care of it. It struggled to grow and remained small and weak. Years later, people saw the difference. Both seeds had the same start, the nature, but their surrounding, the nurture, made them grow differently. What we are born with matters, but what we are raised and environment around us shapes who we become. This is exactly how children grow. They may be born with similar abilities, but their environment, home, school, people around them shapes their future. So please remember that it's not just about what a child is born with, it's about what we give them while they grow. So, what can parents do? First, be a role model. Speak the way you want your child to speak. Second, create a positive environment where the respect, calmness, and kindness are normal. Third, choose the right circle. Good school, good friends make a big difference. Fourth, monitor screen time because quality matters more than quantity. And most importantly, talk to your child daily and understand what they are picking up from outside. So, next time your child behaves in a certain way, don't just correct the child. Look at the environment around them. Don't just teach your child, create an environment worth copying. Be loving, but set clear rules. Explain the reasons instead of saying just listen. Stay involved in child's online life and create daily routine. This makes kids feel safe and stable. So please remember that you can't control everything, but you can shape your child's environment. And that makes a big difference. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.